I was once taught by my role model and mentor, John Baca, that all great stories start with no shit, there I was. So Koley, no shit, there I was. 25, working on my summer gig in the middle of rural Montana, just looking for a summer of a lifetime before moving back to Florida and starting a real job. My plan was to be there for a good time, not a long time, but then you came along and you changed everything. I fell in love with you in an instant.
On October 3rd of 2021, you told me you loved me for the first time. I was totally stunned, and at first just responded, "You do?" which was shortly followed by, "I love you too." Those early days were all consuming. My feelings for you were already so deep, and I knew I'd found someone special. I just already couldn't imagine my life without you in it.
I think we were only a couple weeks into dating when you were telling me how embarrassing it was, that we were incapable of playing it cool and mysterious because we simply couldn't shut the fuck up. At that time, I was deep into fire season, working 13 days on and 1 day off, and you were pulling 12-hour days every day. Still, we'd drive an hour almost every night, happily just to keep talking. I wanted to know everything about you. I could not get enough of you then, and I cannot get enough of you now.
What happened next was better than I could have ever hoped for. That intense love we had for each other didn't fade, but was instead complemented by a peaceful stability. You have brought so much joy into my life, along with your smile, your humor, your ambition, your resilience, and your deep care for everyone around you that you love. We have experienced so much in our time together so far. 5 homes, 3 agonizing months of long distance, meeting each other's families, friends, and pets, milestones, roadblock, loss, and love. But these years have taught me that with you by my side, we can get through anything, as long as we do it together as a team. I cannot wait to start a family with you of our own, and I'm so happy for our future children, because I know what it feels like to love and be loved by you.
Welcome, family, friends, and loved ones. You have come from near and far to share in this commitment that Julie and Koley have chosen to make to one another. Julie and Koley have chosen to do a ring-warming ceremony today. Throughout the ceremony, we invite you to pass their rings through the crowd and share your blessings, positive vibes, and well wishes. The couple will now exchange personal vows.
Koley, the way you make people feel, not just me, is something rare. There's the world, and then there's the world with you in it. It's brighter, it's funnier. You give people the room to be themselves. So I promise to protect that ability you have, to give you the space to be yourself, to be your sounding board, and to keep it true to yourself. I promise to never shy away from life's challenges, because in the end, we'll be better for it. I promise to revel in the good days and stand by you in the bad, to push through the hard times with a little dark humor and a space for our unsavory thoughts. It's scary for me to look back on the last 30 years and how many times I could have settled for just good enough. There are no words for how grateful I am. I waited for more than I could have imagined to walk up in her little cloud tank top and her chacos. Koley, you will forever embody a reminder to me to never settle for anything less than everything. And I just love you so damn much.
Today, I make the following vows to you as promises of our life together. I promise to love every shelter dog you bring home, no matter how stinky they are. I promise to always keep you warm, even if it means I have to steal the blankets from Bentley and he looks like really cute and cozy. I promise to stand by your side and support you while you chase your dreams. I promise to strive to be the best version of myself for you and for our family. Early on in our relationship, I was throwing a mini tantrum, and I told you that I could give you as much attitude as I want. And although this is still true, I also promise to give you as much support, patience, care, and compassion as I want, and that limit does not exist. I am choosing you today, and I promise to choose you again every single day, today, tomorrow, and forever. I love you so much.
I love you.
Here in the company of friends and family, do you, Koley, willing and lovingly commit to Julie in the partnership of marriage with all the responsibilities and the joys that such a union brings, agreeing to choose each other in the good times and bad for all the days of your life?
I do.
And do you, Julie, willingly and lovingly commit to Koley in the partnership of marriage with all the responsibilities and joys that such a union brings, agreeing to choose each other in good times and bad for all the days of your lives?
I do.
The couple will now exchange rings as a symbol of the promises of marriage. Koley, place the ring on Julie's finger and repeat after me. Julie, I give you this ring
Julie, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love,
as a symbol of my love,
with the promise to love and support you
with a promise to love and support you
today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Place the ring on Koley's finger and repeat after me. Koley, I give you this ring
Koley, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love,
as a symbol of my love,
with the promise to love and support you
with a promise to love and support you
today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
In front of your closest friends and family, you have chosen to be joined in marriage. You have now sealed this promise with your wedding rings. I now pronounce you as married. You may kiss.
Hi all. I appreciate you all coming. The memory that popped into my mind was my wedding, actually. Walking down the aisle, the thing that shocked me were the faces. It was all faces supporting me and my spouse at the time. And that wedding memory of those faces are here forever, you know, and here you are supporting Koley and Julie forever in their footsteps. So we toast Koley and Julie?
Okay, Koley, something I want you to think about. Take note. Julie is the only person here who chose to live with you. Many of us here love you, and several of us have lived with you. Julie is the only volunteer. And now we are here at the wedding for you and Julie, a day that Linda and I are so thrilled to share with all of you as we celebrate your love and partnership. I could not be prouder and happier for you both. Congratulations.
As someone who's witnessed this from the beginning, I can confirm that their relationship has always been unsettlingly functional. They communicate, they apologize, they share power tools. But in all seriousness, being loved by either of them is a rare and steady thing. And watching them build this life together intentionally and honestly has been one of the greatest joys of my adult life.
Now, I would like to address Koley for a moment. I can honestly say that I have never seen Julie so at peace and truly happy. You are beautiful and funny and such a force of bright light. So much so that you've brought out her confidence in her light. I wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness because finding your soulmate is truly a blessing. Now, let's all raise our glasses to Julie and Koley. Thank you for sharing your blessing with all of us. I love you both. Cheers. Cheers.